and I have to tell you that I am picking up some gifts for my daughter for Christmas. And my daughter received a little plastic tea set, like for her birthday, maybe a year or so ago. But over time, between her and her brother, they have kind of decimated the set. And it just got to the point where pieces were missing, they chewed on it, it was just not in good shape, and I wound up throwing the pieces away. And of course, you know, she saw me throw them away, and she was like, "Mommy, no, don't do it." I said, "Look, baby, just trust me, okay?" Kind of like how God tells us, just trust, just trust. I said, if you let me throw this away because it's not good quality, I promise that I will replace it with something much nicer. And so that is what we are doing here today. She was actually supposed to come with me, but things happened, and so she wound up staying home with Dad. And I'm kind of glad, because this would be like the most amazing surprise ever. I'm so excited that I found this particular set, and it's durable, kid-friendly, and I think she's gonna really like it. This is what I have picked up. So we have a serving tray, service for 4, the dinner size plates, 4 coordinating mugs, spoon, teaspoon, and salad fork. And then they didn't have service for 4 on the bowl, so I picked up 2. And I figured, you know, they have treats, we can put the treats in there and use those as like small serving bowls on the tray. But I mean, how beautiful is that? Like, what 9-year-old would not love a tea party with this set? I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I was trying to stay away from the blue because that's actually one of my favorite colors, but they didn't really have any of the lavender that's in here. But I think still, as a whole, she's gonna love this set. I am so excited that I found it. I'm walking over to the backpacks now. I'm just desperate to find something to put her stuff in. I'm looking for something feminine. I would totally do a purse. Totally do a purse. That might be it. That might be it, y'all. It don't match, but it's pink, and that's close enough for my daughter. Pink and my daughter go hand in hand, so I am so excited. So now I just need to find some, either like some crushed velvet fabric or some pink towels, those towels, or something like that that's kind of soft that I can use to wrap the mugs up in while they are being stored, to keep them nice and safe so they don't chip. And that's it, guys. Oh my gosh, we're good to go. 90 bucks. I am so excited. I'm so glad that I told my daughter to stay home because she was going to come to the store with me, and I hadn't planned on doing this shopping, but I was like, you know what? While I'm here, I didn't have to spend the extra money to get my sewing machine fixed. Yay. And I can take that money to fulfill a promise to my daughter. And you guys just don't know how happy that makes my heart that I can be able to fulfill this promise to her. And right now, I'm ready to plan a tea party, y'all. I'm ready to plan a tea party. Welcome back, guys. And today we are going to be doing Christmas stockings. I got my sewing kit. My sewing kit is here with me. And so this is actually my Christmas stocking, and I'm using this as a template because I am making a Christmas stocking for my mother-in-law. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you need to, because it's completely different from what you kind of see here. It is a family life channel. It is where you go. I go family. That's where you can find me on Instagram. But I talk a lot about my mother-in-law because y'all know I love my mother-in-law. I have been blessed. My mother-in-law loves animal print, okay? And so I had bought this fabric for her, and I was going to make a bag out of it, but I just wasn't really feeling it. And I was like, oh my gosh, here we are in the holiday season. This would be one of the perfect Christmas gifts for her. So this is maybe about 1/3 to 1/2 of a yard. And so it's more than enough for a Christmas stocking. I'm going to do a Christmas stocking for her. I'm trying to get my hat ready. My hat, this hat. It's a Charlie Brown Christmas hat. So we're ready. We're going shopping. My last video didn't turn out. Hi guys. We're in the festive spirit. We have Secret Santas, and since nobody got me, I guess I can go shopping by myself. Because we know mommy doesn't get gifts. So in any event, let's see. We are shopping at Target, guys. Let's go.
In their natural habitat.
We see y'all. I am recording you. I see you. This girl says she lost me. I'm a big black woman in a big Christmas tree outfit. And she said she couldn't see me. I'm a big black woman in a big Christmas tree outfit. Ooh.
Yeah.
All right, so let's keep looking. Let's see what we can find. If it ain't special, not mine.
I say we should have got them this letter because she needs a wallet and she really this letter is really funny.
You blocking the walkway. Let's go.
Guitar.
We're not getting a guitar.
Red.
Not getting that. You act like you shopping with daddy. You shopping with Bobby. Bobby's budget's on the DL. Click, click. Click, click. Oh, wonderful. That's a big cheese. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed your video. We had so much fun doing our holiday shopping, and that wasn't all of our holiday shopping, but that was just a few snippets. So I'm really excited about being able to spend time with my sister's family as they have just moved down. And so if you get a chance, definitely check out their video. It's ST7 Designs. You can find them on YouTube. You can also find them on Instagram. And guys, that's it. Y'all know the drill. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you in the new year. Okay? Bye.